Hello, people, and today I'm starting a Let's Play series on Doom 2. It's like Doom, but better. Well, I don't know about better. It's like Doom, but difficulter enemies and difficulter guns. My pronunciation of those words is amazing. Alright, single player, level select, well, new game. Heck on Earth. Ultra violence. Alright. They can't see me right now, so I'm gonna see what's back here. Heck yeah. Look at the grin on my guy's face. How can they not hear this? Vroom vroom, boy. What's in here? Oh, crap. Ah, crap, I got killed.
Don't ask why I'm eating Pringles. I just got one.
Colton, be quiet.
Oh, bread and chicken.
Colton, be quiet. Be quiet! And I'm doing terrible on health, but then again, when am I ever not? Alright.
This is Doom, but scary.
Doom is nice. It's not scary. What do you think I am, a wuss?
Yes.
'Cause I am. What's out here? Gotta go back up there and see. Nope. I found a secret area, huh? A secret area. I feel like there are more guns here, I just don't know. I'm out of pistol ammo. 5%. Here we go. Picked up a clip.
It's always good to have a clip if you have terrible aim. Because you're a Sonny.
You know,
Sprinkles taste.
that was tough. Can't even get past level 1 without that. There were 5 secrets. Holy crap. It took me 4 minutes. Par. 30 seconds. And I'm out of ammo again. Of course I am. Heck yeah. I need the red key to activate this object. I can't see. I'm too far away to see. Too far away from the screens. Ah! Who shot me? Oh crap! Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Nice squeeze. Nice squeeze through there. Heck yeah.
That's supposed to be sleep, yeah.
Yeah, but the scene.
Have you ever watched Markiplier or Jacksepticeye?
Shush.
Okay, Okay, so this is a clean YouTube channel.
Shush! Let's go. Hey ho, let's go. Let's go get killed by the monsters. BFU. Whew. Let's go. Gotta find some health. I think I left some health back there because my health was all the way up. So, what I shall do is, I think there's one more key card I gotta get in this level. I don't know if this level has the yellow key card or not, or just the red and blue.
There's just the purple key card.
There isn't even a purple key card, man.
Well, what's red and blue combined?
Shush.
Purple. I am more tastier than you.
Underhaul is finished. That one was hard.
That looked like Xenomorph Steam too.
That one was hard.
Hard tasting.
Alright, alright. Got the quick save here. Oh, come on. Forgot about that guy. Nope.
One time I watched a Doom video. It's called Doom Romantic. This is a
Stop mentioning other videos in my videos.
Okay.
I want to watch my other videos, by the way.
Oh, calm down. That was hilarious.
Come on. Got it. Oh, come on. Weird. Did I leave any health behind? Heals.
Note to self, Doom is not romantic.
I'm sure someone out there could make Doom romantic. Sure, I don't want to see it, but
I will. Well, I read a list on the most romantic movies in the world.
I'm pretty sure Doom wasn't on there.
Doom was the top one.
Health, 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 health. Oh, come on.
Dracula can do better. No one
Ah, come on. Be quiet, Colton.
Super Cooper has the best vids.
You're not just wrong, you're stupid. Oh gosh. I'm out of shotgun shells. Oh no, I'm not. Crap! I accidentally quick loaded instead of quick saving. Crap.
On hamburgers, don't have them hippie condiments.
Shush, Colton.
Don't have them hippie condiments.
Alright. Let's see. Okay. Gotta find the way to beat this level. The fact that I need the blue key card makes me think I should have already picked up the blue key card somewhere. It's there. Let's just go out real quick and save. Heck yeah, I got the rocket launcher.
Well, yeah. You also got the green key card?
You can't even kill anything with a key card in this.
Doom is what happens when too many people have hippie condiments on their hamburgers. Don't eat them hippie condiments. I wonder how many kills we've got.
Better have gotten 100. Are you kidding me? 66% items. Secret 0.
Humans 0.
4.5 minutes over the par. Sounds about usual. Alright. I think that's about all we have time for today. Because I got some stuff to do. Alright, bye bye. See you in my next video.